If you're visiting Hong Kong and wondering if a day trip to Macau is worth it, the answer is yes. Hi everyone, this is Lord and welcome back to my channel.
Time check. 6:10 and we're on our way to Macau. Ferry ride is 7:30, so we need to be there 30 minutes, 15 minutes before the ferry. Kasi usually late kami, but now, sayumi! Yay! Hi mga, good morning! And with the crew, lingit daw mo. Correct.
We woke up bright and early because we wanted to make the most of our one-day DIY trip to Macau. First, let's head to Hong Kong Macau Ferry Terminal in Sheung-wan. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it.
Last full day today and still chaotic and jam-packed. Pero kami nagdagan-dagan for today's video. Ay nako. Ho-ho, nagdagan. Victoria Harbor na cruise, nagdagan. Very akong mama guys.
We chose to ride the ferry because during this time, there's a free transportation from Hong Kong to Macau by their government tourism. We only purchased the return ferry ride, which I highly recommend booking ahead of time. Our first stop was Fisherman's Wharf, and honestly, it was the perfect place to start the day since there weren't many people yet. The area has this European-inspired vibe with a Roman-style amphitheater and lots of photo spots. It almost feels like you're hopping between different countries in just one place.
Iba kasi yung lasa ng jelly dito, may masarap, meron hindi. Try and try. Thank you mama. May brace wala. Baka sumapit ha.
Okay lang.
Ma'am po ay chicken. Sige ma'am, last na ito. Spicy na tayo.
Mas lamig na eh, compared kanina. Ito ng tender. Ang Pinoy na lahat. Nangita ko. Nangita siya. Wala lagi mga tao sa mga. Oh, di ba na eh. Oh my God. Kasi kasi Jerusalem. Ang dami ni boss mo. Okay guys. Kapag cookies gani.
Next, we headed to Macau's most famous landmark, the ruins of St. Paul's. Seeing it in person is definitely different from seeing it online. It's much grander, and this is the one place that Mama has been hoping to visit.
Oo, gani.
By lunchtime, we started exploring Macau's famous integrated resorts. One thing you'll quickly realize is that everything here is massive. Even if you're not planning to gamble, it's worth walking through the casinos just to admire the architecture and interiors. And yes, be prepared to walk a lot. Thankfully, there are free shuttle buses connecting many of the major hotels, which makes getting around much easier.
Wow! Hello guys! Hello guys! We are in Macau. Macau Bridge. Macau Bridge. And look at the building. Look at the building. It's so high. Wow! High as a mountain. Uy, kaluskad na. Saan mga red lips na to? Lord, later! The fresh moon.
You've been hit by
Instead of spending hours, we did a quick tour of Macau's most iconic photo spots, starting with the Venetian for the viral outdoor escalator, the Londoner for the famous red double-decker bus and Big Ben, the Parisian for its Eiffel Tower, and then headed back inside the Venetian.
Wala di ka kaato sa Las Vegas, ani? Kita.
To end the day, we made our way to Wynn Palace. This was honestly the perfect final stop. Sadly, we didn't get to ride the free sky cab overlooking the beautiful waterfall and light show before sunset. By 6 p.m., it was time to head back to the ferry terminal and catch our ride back to Hong Kong.
Uwi na kami.
Goodbye, Hong Kong.
Yeah, uwi na kami.
See you, Philippines.
Again, this is Lord and see you on my next vlog.